When it comes to transporting fine art, ensuring safety and care is essential. Baxter Shipping offers specialized fine art logistics to move your valuable pieces from the UAE to Switzerland seamlessly. Our team understands that fine art requires expert handling and specialized packing. At Baxter Shipping, we use high-quality materials like acid-free paper, foam, and plywood boxes to protect every piece during transit. For delicate items, we offer climate-controlled transport to maintain ideal conditions, protecting sensitive artworks from extreme temperatures and humidity during the journey to Switzerland. Baxter Shipping also handles customs clearance, navigating the complex regulations to ensure your artwork reaches Switzerland smoothly and without delay. With end-to-end service, we ensure your art arrives safely at its final destination, ready to be displayed in all its glory. Trust Baxter Shipping for secure and professional fine art transport from the UAE to Switzerland. Contact Baxter Shipping today to learn more about our fine art logistics solutions to Switzerland.